Hey guys, so today I am going to be doing a little mommy refresher, mommy makeover, whatever you guys want to call it. So for me, my mommy makeover is just going to be like a hair change, really just a hair change. Because I'm kind of getting tired of my hair color that I do have. I love it, but I want to switch it up. I really want to switch it up, and I want my natural hair color back. I'll be honest with you. So before we jump into the video, make sure that you guys give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so that you don't miss any videos when I upload. Alright, so this is very impulsive of me to just like, oh yeah, let me dye my hair. Let me just jump and dye my hair. But like I kind of been wanting to do this for a while, but I was hesitant on it. But I had dyed my hair plenty of times before, and you know, my hair has been just fine. So today I will be leaving some of the color that I do have in, which is like maybe like a reddish brownish color. I'll be leaving some of that color in my hair and just like pinning it up, and the rest of it I'm going to just dye it. So I always use Garnier. Garnier is my go-to hair dye. It's like the only hair dye that I use specifically for me. Okay, so I'll be using this one. You guys can see it. This is the color that I decided to go with. So I'm just like, you know, this is kind of basically the color that my hair is. Basically is this color, but it's like a little bit lighter. But this is the color that I want to go for like the rest of my hair. Like I'm gonna leave like this top part right here. I'm gonna pin that part up and leave it the color that it is now. And then the rest of it, I'm going to use the hair dye. I only need one box for it because my hair is shorter, because you guys know I did cut my hair. So yeah, I just wanted to change. I just want to switch it up. You know what I mean? Feel myself again, you know. So that's what we will be doing today. So yeah. So now, like I left this piece out, and I left the little piece in the back. I didn't have to do my roots because my roots are the exact same color as that, but I had so much in the bottle, so I just did that whole section. I'm gonna wipe off my face. I do have this stuff on my face that you guys seen. I'm just gonna put my hair up into a little bun. I'm gonna cover it up. And I'm gonna put a timer on my phone for 35 minutes. And I'm just gonna do some stuff around the house. Like I'm gonna start prepping dinner. And I'm gonna wash it out. Put my stuff in my hair. Let me take these clothes off. I'm gonna wash my hair with my mask that I made. And they also give you like a mask, a little, you know, conditioner right here as well. So I'll be using this with my mask that I put in my hair. Like as I put mask in and I wash it out, I'll put like half of this in my hair. So, and then I use it for like next week when I wash my hair. Since I'm on my natural stuff. And the faster that's going on ahead. And I am sweating up in here. Looks like a damn uniform. I'm gonna wipe my face off. Then I will see you guys in about 35 minutes. Okay guys, so I washed the dye out. I put my hair mask in. And then I wash the hair mask out, obviously. So now I'm going to just put my products in my hair, show you guys it and everything. So I'm just going to be using my flaxseed gel and some olive oil. And when I dry my hair, I do not like to use a towel. I either use like a scarf or I use an old t-shirt because I'm not trying to take the moisture out of my hair. So yeah. See what it's giving. My hair feels so good after that mask though. I still got some pieces of this stuff. God. This is what it is giving. Only like at the top. I think that would be really pretty like when I do straighten my hair. Yeah. So I'm gonna style it. Well, I'm not really gonna style it. I'm just gonna put some a little bit of my products in it. I love my curls and my hair is dark. I feel like it's so much, it's prettier. So I'm gonna put this up my hair and I'm going to show you guys the end. Okay guys, so I put everything in my hair. My hair feels so good right now. This is what my hair is looking like. It's giving, and I love this part of my hair. Like I just love it because that's my natural hair color anyway. And I always feel like my hair looks healthier. Even though my hair is very healthy, my hair feels and looks more healthier to me when it is my natural hair color. So I will not be dyeing my hair anymore. I'm gonna keep this little piece of dye in. But so it looks like and I have been doing my rice water treatments, but it just only really little quick update on that. It made my hair feel just like I said healthier. My scalp has been doing way better, and I don't really see like a length difference. I don't really care about that anyway. But yeah, like when I straighten it, that's when I'll probably see a length difference or something. But no, I'm loving my hair just like this. If I look like this, I am gonna put it like up, probably a little bun on top of my head, and I'm gonna call it a day. Yes, I love it. I love it, you guys. So I'm very excited with the results. This face is pretty. All right, you guys. All right, you guys. So I'm going to end the video right here. So I hope that you all have a wonderful day or night, whatever time you guys are watching this video. So I will see you guys in the next one. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel.